Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create or insert a drop-down list. So basically, sometimes as you can see here, guys, you will have like bunch of names, and you will need here to make like a state of things, which will be like, for example, yes or no, or a list, or whatever you'd like to put in here. So how you can make a list that can actually automate the process and save time instead of you writing the whole word. You can actually just put a list here and choose whatever word you'd like to. So how we can do this first is get your database first like that, throw it in a table or whatever it is, make it look good, and then go for example in here and then go to data. Here we go to data validation and you go to choose list. Here I will choose yes or no, for example. So if I click OK, here is yes or no. But as you can see here, there is this problem, which is yes or no are looking at the same time or appearing at the same time. So how can I fix this? Basically, let me just do this and okay. So now yes or no. Now, as you can see now, this happened to only this one. You can do that again to this one as well. But instead of like making it as well like that, okay, and then having it all the way around, how we can actually make it in all of these cells? Basically, what you can do is select this first payment, which is this one, and then drag it all the way down from this right bottom corner. So drag it and here we go. Now what you have to do is just change the values, which is no, yes, no, for example. And you can do that to anything, so it doesn't need to be yes or no, for example. It can be whatever word you'd like. That's between the words, you have to make a comma. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.